guys, my name is Noni Matikela. Welcome to the Noni M podcast. So today, I want us to talk about Baloyi. Mr. Baloyi, Mr. Baloyi, Mr. Baloyi, Mr. Baloyi, Mr. Baloyi. Kunini ndikubiza bra? Ubra George. How? The issue is about inspection in loco, Kesan. Inspection in loco no Baloyi, oil and amanzi. Inspection in Loco and Baloyi and Gininda, oil and water. They don't want that. They don't want that. Their actions are speaking louder than their words. Their actions are speaking louder than their words, because what is this? Anyway, before we get into talking about that, guys, please make sure you do not forget to like, to share, to comment, and most importantly, please make sure you are subscribed on the channel. Please make sure that you are watching the videos up until the end and you are watching the ads that are coming through. When you are doing that, you are supporting this channel financially and in numbers. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Please always remember that engagement is key on the social media spaces. All right. Thank you. Now, let's talk about Brigadier Gininda. His own way of feeling some type of way about this inspection in local is I'm just imagining, because we can't see him. I'm just imagining, because why do I get the feeling he looks lost in that courtroom? Like, do something, dude, do something. We can't do that. He sounds like that. And then he is in silence. Remember that this is me and my imagination. Like, but when so look at the judge, look at Baloyi, and be like, do something. But internally, we can't do that. We can't. That is not safe. That is not safe to do so. I always get that feeling, guys. Yoguti. Gininda is not happy with inspection in local. However, that being said, the person that is expressing their own unhappiness about it is Baloyi in his not so many words. Haibo, doesn't he suggest now let's start with how about there was a suggestion that we can do a video and then do the last time he checked Ramsipule was standing by him, right? And who's this one? Momalo, I don't remember what Momalo said, but the last time he checked, it was a Messi against Tonton. Yabo. Ha, kandera buzange lange ngesana namhlanje abasathet kwalonto. Namhlanje abasathet kwalonto. He is blocking the way to go to inspection in local. And I did not understand when he was like, actually, we still need to. Wasn't it Wednesday when they spoke about inspection in local? It was Wednesday. Why from Wednesday to Friday he still did not prepare for that? Why are they still going to speak to correctional services? Why didn't they speak to them on Wednesday already after Tonton, so that by Friday we know next week that we're going for inspection in local? All the security risk and stuff are taken care of. Why didn't he do that? I did not understand. Secondly, the other part that was surprising to me is him thinking that he's going to get away with a lot of things in that courtroom. And today was not his day, okay? Because the judge went standing by him as per usual. Today, it was not his day. It was one of those in a drop days, like in an ocean drop days where Judge Rota is like, back off. I'm dealing with my own issue here. Back off. I am not here to support you or stand by you today. It was one of those days. And the inspection in local Lena gives Ubaloyi some chest pains, if not COVID pains. It's giving COVID pains for Baloyi. When you talk about, when they mention this inspection in local, he becomes a patient ya COVID fast. Uba grey ebusweni fast akafuni lutho nge-inspection in local Ubaloyi, guys. He wants nothing to do with it. Like, literally, he wants nothing to do with it. I can't. He makes me laugh. He literally makes me laugh when it comes to that. I get what Unisi, I would those pictures and what that Baloyi is referring to, they will still need someone to interpret and be talking, because personally, I won't understand. So I would prefer if we go there. And then uRamsipule, what I support Mnisi, what Nxumalo, I support Mnisi. And then Shololo was like, it better be physical. What in local is a physical don't. So it, and then she said that life was like, no, I mean Uguti, you need to be there physically. It needs to be done physical so that you can see what exactly is happening. You can see what exactly is happening. And then Judge Baloyi was not happy with it. That Baloyi was not happy at all. But again, I guess on Monday we will hear Uguti, what's going to happen. Are we going to end up going when? Tuesday, Wednesday? I don't know, but we will see what's going to happen. What are your thoughts when it comes to all of this? Because I don't want to lie, Ubaloyi is making me laugh. I found myself laughing. At that moment, his face was not dark-skinned as him. It turned gray very fast when they were talking about the entire situation. I did not understand why. Why Baloyi does not want them to do inspection in local. If it's something that is being done, we saw it in the Jocelyn case, it was done. So why is it a problem for Advocate Baloyi? No, man. No, sir. No. No, sir. And then after they spoke about that, I heard your voice in it. I don't know what they were asking. It was so low, Shem. He lost his voice somewhere. Yes, kunzima to maintain in nonsense. It's hard to maintain nonsense, guys, because at some point it will catch up with you. At some point it will catch up with you, and it will need proper maintenance because you need to keep up with everything else that you've been saying. Now, when that is becoming hard for you to maintain, it becomes a very huge problem for the narrative that you've been pushing. I'm so happy that the in loco is in progress, and I suppose by next week it's gonna be done. And Abahlali are like, we're gonna be there. People from Gauteng are like, we are going. Nizosthola lapho. Sizobe sipha. Angisabawel. Angisabawel uba lapho lapho uyobona le inspection in loco so that we can see. Kanti babemenzani mntana abantu phayana? Babemenzani? Babemenzani mntana abantu? The other thing that I want to talk about, guys, is Mr. Baloyi. What ikhona lento benifuna uyithetha about uBaloyi. Oh, now it left my brain, guys. It left my brain. Oh, yes. I was happy when the judge asked him, are you intending to call any other witness? Let's do another video. Let's do another video for this one. We can't do it here. It needs its own video. Okay. Let's do another video. Yes, let's do another video. Anyway, guys, so when you were looking at Ubaloyi, when they were talking about the inspection in local, what were your views of him? What did you make of how he was, his demeanor, everything, Jay? What did you see when you were looking at him? What was happening to him? What happened to him? In your views, I already told you mine. What are your views about the things that you saw when they were talking about the in loco? And were you happy with the defense standing together? They were standing together and they were standing on business today. As much as by the court was about 1 hour something, but it was very progressive today, I must say. And I appreciated how things moved. And also, I wish that there could be something that is done about Judge Ratta's behavior so that he can stay in check. He can stay in check. He had no choice today. He was even smiling at the defense and no one was interested. I loved it. He was even smiling, and no one was interested. Eh, eh, eh. No, they were not interested in those smiles and stuff. They were not. And I was happy with that. I was happy. Hypo, sneaky baloy, guys, lastly. When they were closing off, he's like, Judge Rata is asking if what's happening on Monday. And then Ubalo, instead of answering about Monday, he gets up and says, no, there was that Mrs. request yesterday. We dealt with that request and we moved. Yo, ujudge wavela sana wamphendula kanje. Okay, then we will see each other on Monday. What? I was like, Baloy, we are papa. He dealt with you because he did say yesterday, yeah, he's gonna be in court on Monday. He's gonna be in court Monday. Then, if not, if he doesn't pitch, that's his problem. Yena, he has nothing to do with that. Yena, as Judge Rata, will be in court on Monday. So why was Baloy? What was he trying to do there? Instigator, trying to push him to lose himself. And I was so happy with how the judge dealt with that because he already did his part. And for Baloy to actually expect the judge to go back into that conversation that got him into hot water, I was like, who's spicy now? Who's spicy? That was so spicy of Baloy. For both Mnisi and Ujaja, he was being spiteful, that one. Anyway, thank you so much, guys. I'll see you on our next video. Bye-bye.